uncinetto. I'm Christina, and I'm so glad that you're here with me today. If you're new, welcome in. If you're returning, welcome back. No matter how long you've been here, I always appreciate your time. This is probably going to be a fairly short video. I don't have a ton to show you or share, but I did promise during my birthday shenanigans week that I would try and do a video on this as well at some point. So this is the market in the town that I live in. Towns here typically have a market one day a week. Now in Catania, there's a market every day. On Sundays, there's an organic market, but there's a regular market every day. So you can go any day of the week and get produce, fish, all kinds of things. It's every single day. But in the towns further out, it's one day a week. So the town that's closest to base, theirs is on Wednesdays. There is a town right next to me. They have theirs on Thursdays. There's a town a little bit closer to base. They have theirs on Saturdays. So it just depends on the day of the week that the town decides to do their market. Here it is Sunday. So it's nice because it's on the weekend, so I don't have to worry about missing it because I'm at work. And I also have gone enough times that I know pretty much where it is and I can get there. Parking is sometimes atrocious, usually atrocious, but they have lots of different things, as you'll see. They have produce when you're walking in. They have the trucks there for that, and then they will have all manner of other things. So there's like almost like a hallway, right, of all of these tables and stalls and things that people set up, and they get there early in the morning to start setting up. And it usually runs from 8 until about 1-ish or 2, depending. But so you walk in and there's produce there, and then you end up with, there I saw this time it was really, really full this time. Other times I've gone, it hasn't been quite this full with stalls. So there's like a couple of vendors that have like sewing, crafting, yarn, fabric. Then there's always people with jewelry, rugs, sheets, pajamas, socks, underwear, all kinds of clothing, books and toys and games, and you can just keep walking. And then when you get to the end of the market, the very, very end, there's usually all like the soaps, the shampoos, the deodorants, the perfumes, all this and that. And then somewhere, not all the way at the end, but there's usually a left-hand turn you can make, and all back in that corner, there's usually one person that sets up who sells like kitchen stuff. So there's right there at that turn. There's other people that do it too, but this particular person is right here at this turn, and he sells like spatulas and whisks and trash bags and light bulbs and lighters and all this stuff, right? And then you go through, and there's all these places with fruits and veggies, and there's a cheese truck, and there's fish sometimes, and then you have this one place that does different kinds of olives and tapenades, and because sometimes the olives are whole and sometimes they're squished into like a paste. So you have that, and then you have people selling artichokes and cucumbers and lettuce and cabbage and broccoli and cauliflower and garlic and whatever's in season, right? And depending on what time you go, Like this time when we went, um, one of my friends and I, she lives here in the town. I've spoken about her before. She's a wonderful lady, very helpful, with helping me navigate all the things. Um, she usually likes to go a little later, but this time when we went, one of the trucks where we usually get produce, they were done, sold out. They were cleaning up, and we were like, man. But it was okay. I didn't get a whole lot of things. Um, did get a couple of things for my daughter's birthday. Sorry, I know I said that really quietly, and it is still taking forever and a day for my microphone to get here. I almost want to buy just one of like the little lapel mics, but I'm so afraid that I will like, I don't know, make it explode or something if I'm too loud, or like not get it just right for my mouth, or I don't know. It doesn't matter. It's supposed to be here and it's not here yet, and I'm frustrated. That's not your problem. um, so again, I apologize for the sound. I'm trying to speak up, and I've moved everything a little bit closer. But if I lean in too closely, it's just gonna be my mouth right there in front of the camera. You don't want that either. So yeah, I just thought I would show you the market. Again, not a super long video, not a very big video, but any questions that you have about the market, you can put in the comment section. I will happily answer them. I hope that everyone is having a great day. I have a video, it'll come out later, but this past weekend, my daughter had a glamping trip. So it was a camping trip that we took with her Girl Scout troop, and we went to an agroturismo, which I'll talk about what that is in the video. But I did take some pictures. It was very beautiful. Lots of activities and things to do, so that was fun. But then I woke up Sunday morning to some not so good news, and it's been kind of hard. Yesterday and then today is Monday. I'm supposed to have a video out today, and this will probably come out on Monday, but it's going to be delayed because I was not feeling it at all yesterday to record anything. I'm still not super like okay, but I'm gonna do some recording and get some things up for you guys, and we'll just see how it goes. But again, please let me know if there's anything you'd like to know about the market. I tried to I couldn't take pictures of all the stalls because then people start asking questions and they get kind of rude about you not taking pictures of their things. So I tried to take some pictures, but if there's anything you want to know, just ask me below. Didn't mean for that to rhyme, but it did. So with that, I'm going to go. I hope that everyone is well and safe. And as always, be the change you wish to see in the world, everyone. Ciao bella!